Now we are coming into the detailed distribution or detailed discussion of the different habitats. So first one, we are starting with the terrestrial habitat. That is, I had told you before also, it is simply the habitat of land, or that means the dwelling place or habitable place which is in the land. So what are the examples? Like the forest, the grassland, that is the area which is totally full of grass, then the desert, the coastal areas, the mountain areas, the wetlands, all are under the terrestrial habitat. Even you can see a forest habitat is how much different from the mountainous habitat, or a desert habitat is so much different than the coastal habitat. Difference in terms of climate, in terms of vegetation, in terms of animal distribution, in terms of nature, in every wise. But one thing common in them, that is all of them belong to the terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat so whatever we had studied, these are natural terrestrial habitat. Some are man-made terrestrial habitat, like say for example, you can tell what? Town, city, farms, caves. See, these are man-made. Like that is, man has, although cave you can say it can be natural also. So these there, but the cities, towns, firms, these are totally man-made. Man has made them, so they are man-made terrestrial habitat. Next, we are coming into the aquatic habitat. Aquatic means water. So what are the water habitats? River, lake, pond, stream, even the sea, ocean. Again, here you can see the difference. Definitely the pond, the nature of the water in the pond is definitely not the same as the nature of the water in the sea, but they are all under the category of aquatic habitat. That means they all are having the water. So here basically two types of ecosystems we will study in details. One is the marine habitat, another one is the freshwater. Marine means salt water, which is sea and ocean, and freshwater means the pond, lake, whatever, which the water is not full of salt or the saline. Next, coming into the components of ecosystem or components of environment. We will study them individually in the next class. Just I am telling you the brief classification. Basically, environment are physical, biological, cultural, and mainly the components are abiotic, biotic. Abiotic means which are non-living, biotic means which are living. The detailed discussion we will do in the next class. Hope you are clear with the introductory concept of ecosystem and habitat. Again, we will proceed with the components of environment. Thank you.